America's 3,000 lakh crore debt and how it impacts India. Trump tariff. What is Trump tariff? Let's unlock everything today in this video, Desi style. America is in debt. Donald Trump wants tariffs to fix it for him. Does it sound like a US problem to you? But no, you're wrong. It's your problem. It is going to be everybody's problem. In today's video, we need to understand that by this tariff fixing, what is going to really help or what is really going to happen. Gold is going to go up, stock prices and stock market is going to crash. Currency is going to play a big game world over. Your next petrol refill, your electronics, everything is going to be hit. आइए सिंपल लैंग्वेज में समझते हैं कि ये अमेरिका का लोन प्रॉब्लम है क्या। फर्स्ट करते हैं, आपका एक दोस्त है जिसकी सैलरी 1 लाख रुपए है, बट उसका मंथली एक्सपेंस 1,24,000 है। उसी तरीके से अमेरिका का डेट राइट नाउ इज $36.22 बिलियन। अमेरिका's current debt is $36.22 ट्रिलियन, मतलब 3,000 लाख करोड़। एंड देयर डेट टू जीडीपी रेशियो इज 124%, मतलब खर्चे से बहुत ज्यादा ऊपर है डेट, इकोनॉमी से बहुत ऊपर है डेट। Scarier is that their interest payment is $881 billion. Do you really understand what's happening? It's like India spending more on credit card bills than on their defense budget. America's interest payment is more than their defense budget. And it didn't start yesterday. After 2008 and COVID, their debt has been rising up. But now the situation is that even to refinance the old loan has become so expensive for them. So what is Donald Trump's idea is the American tariff fix. होगा क्या उससे? So what Donald Trump is doing is कि आप कुछ भी import करोगे, you pay more taxes and end of the day he makes American goods more competitive. मतलब अगर import करके कोई चीज 1 लाख रुपए की पड़ती है, आप local American ले लो, वो 80,000 की पड़ेगी because उन्होंने all of a sudden tariff बढ़ा दिया। चाइना के साथ tariff has been increased thrice and with 104% of tariff means कि अगर चाइना से कुछ भी आएगा तो वो बहुत महंगा होगा and will make American product more competitive so that you buy American product. But that's not only the fix. You understand that with product getting expensive, the inflation goes up. 100 रुपए की चीज अगर आप 120 में लोगे तो वो जो 20 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा आएंगे वो क्या है? That's inflation. That's going to government and government is creating that extra money to fix this problem. इसका पूरा हिट मिलेगा किसको? कंज्यूमर को। गवर्नमेंट एक्स्ट्रा पैसे कमाएगी कंज्यूमर की जेब से निकाल के। चाइना से अगर गुड्स आएंगे महंगे और जिस कस्टमर को महंगे रेट पे भी लेना है, सो ही इज एक्चुअली पेइंग दैट एक्स्ट्रा टैरिफ टू यूएस गवर्नमेंट। एक एग्जांपल देता हूं आपको। सोचिए इंडिया ने कल से आईफोन की इंपोर्ट्स के ऊपर 50% टैक्स बढ़ा दिया, तो what will happen? The product will become super expensive. What will you do? You will rather look for homegrown brands like Lava, Micromax or any other Indian brand which will be more competitive and cheaper. So either you buy local or you buy high and pay more tax to your own government, which will help them actually get money from you to pay their own debt. This really is a fight between politics and economics. Trump says he's doing this for growth, whereas real economist says that this will hit the growth. This will increase inflation and cause a lot of other problems. And guess what? If US cuts pricing while inflation, the dollar will get weakened. और एक बार अगर US dollar weak हो गया, तो आपके dollar based mutual funds, dollar based stock investments, आपकी crypto, everybody will get a hit. Apart from that, what happens with India? If the fluctuation of INR versus US currencies messes up, then our oil prices are going to go high. All the imports of oil will go high, which will result for an Indian consumer a higher refill at your gas station. So हो ये रहा है that अमेरिका का debt refinance हो रहा है और $9 trillion is to be refinanced at a higher interest rate. With example, आपका 1 करोड़ रुपए का लोन था from a bank at maybe 7%. In 2020 and you did not pay that in time. Now to pay that loan in 2025 आपको एक और लोन लेना पड़ रहा है to pay the old loan and its interest and at 12%. That is what exactly is happening with America right now. More debt is resulting into less money for innovation, creation, climate control, defense, or for anything that new needs to be done. इसका एक बहुत बड़ा global ripple effect है, which will definitely affect India and lot of other countries. Situation currently of America is whatever you can imagine into 10 lakh more times. लेकिन दोस्त ये सारी प्रॉब्लम तो यूएस में हो रही है, इंडिया कैसे इफेक्ट होने वाला है? इंडिया इज ऑलरेडी इफेक्टेड इन सर्टेन एरियाज. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू कहां कहां हमें ऑलरेडी इफेक्ट हो रहा है. नंबर 1, ऑयल प्राइसेस आर गोइंग टू गो अप. नंबर 2, योर गोल्ड is going to go expensive. Number 3, all your US stocks and everything is already shaken. Number 4, students studying abroad in US will have to pay more fees because of the fluctuation. All the foreign institutional investors pull out of India when US interest rate rises. Your Sensex falls and people who are importing automobile parts and electronics, their cost is going to shoot up and they will be paying more for the same. Even your favorite Shark Tanks founders will struggle to raise funds and get their IPOs in place. You know, we live in a world where a decision made in Washington can shake wallets in Warangal, can shake wallets in Worli, and also affect wallets in Wayanad. So should you care? Yes. We live in a world of global economy. Everything is connected. You need to understand this sooner. Whether you are an investor, a student, a co-founder, or maybe somebody who just wants to buy your next television or iPhone, things are going to change. It's no longer gyan, it's survival. Do you think tariff will fix the American problem or break it further? Let me know in comments what you feel about it. Share the video with people who would want or are connected with any sort so that this can help them. And my humble request, please subscribe to the channel. It really motivates me to create more such content. Until then, it's your friend Sumit Khubchandani.